there's a big elephant here and here. And now we're in the rush. Oh, that's not so scary. I told you. I didn't shout at all, right? It's right? Not scary, but I really like it. So again, here we are. Oh, yay! Bella, are you okay? Are you okay, Bella? Okay, that's it. Yay!